Hello team, my name is Mahesh. Today I will be explaining about the SonarQube. What is a SonarQube? Why it is used mostly in a CI/CD platforms to deliver a secure application. SonarQube is a security tool that performs automation on your source code that can easily find out the security vulnerabilities, any bugs in a source code. It reduces the code complexity. It finds the code smells. Code smells are meant to any code duplications or code that are written poorly in the source code. Any code duplications. Those many things are easily able to find out with the SonarQube. SonarQube also performs the static code analysis to improve improve the software quality in early stage of a development. It analyzes the code and generate a report based upon that. When we run the Jenkins and deploy like when we run the Jenkins and in the Jenkins we have to integrate the SonarQube for analyzing our source code. So let's look into it how we can integrate and scan our entire code with the Jenkins, and how we can check the report. What are the benefits of using SonarQube, and how it able to find out the security vulnerabilities, the quality gates, and the quality gates and the quality profile. What are the quality profiles? Let's look into it. uh, we need one instance, and that on that instance we can able to install the SonarQube and the Jenkins for our application deployment. I have created one application throughout the Spring Boot. It is a Spring Boot application which is written on the Java. So we are deploying this we are using this application, and by in process we are compiling this application by Maven, test it, and integrate the SonarQube to perform static code analysis, finding bugs, security vulnerabilities, code smells, and checking the code complexity, and looking various stuff. So let's deploy one EC2 server. I can take EC2 large image, size of machine, security prepare to log in over the machine. Launch wizard on launch starts. It will take around hardly take around 2 minutes to run. And the instance is running currently. Let's connect to the root account. I'm using the root account. Uh, I have created one bash script that are automatically install the Jenkins and the SonarQube for us. Let me check. Yeah, on the bash examples, there is one folder for Jenkins and Sonar automation. Inside the bash script, let's copy this all the stuff, and we need to create one file over here on our EC2 instance, nano test.sh. You can name whatever you want. Paste the code over here. Let me check. Yeah, Control O for override and then Control X for exit. Let me change the permission of that file. Chmod equals 7 test.sh and test.sh. I have run this script. It will automatically update the repository, install the Jenkins for us, install the SonarQube, install the Trivi. Trivi is the tool that I used to basically used to scan the image. Like once we generate artifacts, and by that artifact we put inside a Docker container to run in a production web servers for the image scanning, and for the particular image we have created for the software. For that image scanning we use Trivi. Let's go on that application. um, we have created one application over here. um, Repositories, SonarQube and Spring Boot analysis. Yes, let's copy the code. I have already created one Jenkins file, so you can either create by yourself or directly like copy and paste from here. Let's go on. This is Yeah, all the installations are complete. Let's check our service is running or not. System status Jenkins. The Jenkins is running, and the we are looking whether whether our yeah SonarQube is also running on port 9000. Uh, let's let me check what is the IP of that machine. Uh, yeah, I got the public IP address colon 9000. On the 9000, we have installed the SonarQube, and the port 880 we have installed for the Jenkins. Both are the default ports. Yeah, Jenkins. Before that, let's get our admin password from the Jenkins itself. Uh, from where? Yeah, cat. Um, it- yes, so this is a password for admin. It is only used for one time. Administrative password. Install the automatic as Jenkins suggested. Install automatic plugins. All the installations are done. Let me create. Uh, you can type anything over here. There is no validation such kind of a thing over here. Uh, it is work on 8080 default and start using the Jenkins. Okay, this is the dashboard. I can explain the overall Jenkins in a later on video. Like I create uh, the I create in the later sessions. I how you can integrate how you can use the Jenkins and what are the stages and what are the I can provide in-depth information about the Jenkins. Uh, First, let's log into the SonarQube. SonarQube default username and password is admin, and we need to change your default password admin to something new. Admin 123, admin 123, complete. Yeah, business. In the SonarQube, we have multiple tabs such as um, quality gates. Quality gates that are basically conditions that are applicable on the source code. Coverage means 80. If the code coverage is less than 80%, then our code is not being deployed and it is act as a unsuccessful or failed. And it looks like it shows like a failed. So code coverage, the 80% of our source code being tested. Most of the companies are like set this criteria at least 80%. Duplicate lines are code duplications basically. So here are several conditions that are applicable in the source code. Quality profiles are profiles basically that are languages that are supported by the SonarQube. Suppose we use this quality profile now because we have a Java-based application over here. Inside this quality profile, we have 479 rules. Those rules act as a test. These individual tests are performed in a perform on that each and every line of that source code. Those are some we can say uh, those are some um, these are some logic or those are some like analysis performed on the each and every line of a source code. Here are almost uh, like 479 rules that are in that are by each and every rules that are tested on the source code. So by basis on that, we have a code smell over here. Code smell detects the code duplication in the code. Here are several rules that are like that are tested by the SonarQube automatically. I don't know exactly if deprecated code should not be used what does it mean? But it automatically find out and apply each and every rule inside in the source code and find out the errors. So vulnerabilities are the security vulnerabilities. Bugs are used to, like, if you have an application, we have to perform a plus operation on both operands, but we have performed a minus. That becomes, if it is a critical code, so that becomes a security vulnerability in the login page. Suppose we haven't set any specific user input filtration, then user might, if the attacker might perform, say, send a SQL injection attacks or something inside that parameters. So quality profiles are the profiles that are individual languages with the rules, and those quality profiles comes, we can install our like any other quality profiles also from the marketplace itself. Suppose we haven't seen any Python over there, so from the we can get the quality profile from here, from the marketplace. So from the marketplace, you will download the quality profiles, and the quality profiles are listed over here. You can create your own rules over here also, but you need to duplicate, let you need to copy the existing quality profile. And once you've done that, you're able to see activate and deactivate buttons. Let's see. um, so not a way to copy. Yeah, so activate. So the it should not be tested, we can deactivate this. So if we look, like, we need to use this, we can activate this. So those things, we can create our custom quality profiles over here. So uh, that's how we create our custom quality profile. Let's delete for now. We're not going to use this. Uh, with these rules, and there are same. It is separate. It is it is separated by specific languages such as PHP and all those PHP constraints that are scanned in the source code. Issues, and there is no issues today. Projects. Let's In the system, we can find out the system is healthy, and like, with the overall system information. In the security, let's integrate our Jenkins with the SonarQube. For that, we need to first add one plugin over here. Actually, we need to add multiple plugins over here. We using a Java-based application, so we need a JDK. Uh, Here is JDK. Um, for SonarQube, we need a Sonar plugin, SonarQube scanner. For OWASP dependency check, oh, it is another security tool that are integrated, that are used separately to find out errors, any CVE attacks, we can say. To find out those attacks, we can get it from OWASP. Um, SonarQube scanner is done, Ethereum Eclipse is done, Maven to compile our code, Maven integration. We have selected the JDK. Yeah, those many. Let's install this. Yeah, the installation is done. Let's Let me go on my dashboard and configure our Jenkins. Once we install the plugin, we need to install them also. Install from automatically from the adopteam.net. Uh, I can install on the JDK 11. We have installed the SonarQube also. SonarQube. Let's call it Sonar. By the default, keep it default. For the Maven, we install the Maven, and let's name as Maven 3. We can use this name to call in our Jenkins pipeline. So make sure you remember that names. Uh, let's It's 3.6.0, and the dependency check. Uh, it is another security tool. We can discuss later on about this issue. Later on about this. Click on apply and save. We have successfully installed our like tools that plugins that we have installed right now. Let's for in integrating third-party SonarQube, we need to add also. We need to add our custom uh, for the SonarQube is a third-party tool, right? So we need to integrate with the Jenkins tool. We need to first add a SonarQube. Let's name as a Sonar. Copy this IP and the URL overall. Not wait. HTTP colon 9000. We need to attach one token over there. Let's go on and manage. Go on a credentials. Create a one global credentials. These credentials are kept in a secret, so no one can able to easily access this. Create one test. Expiration. Generate. This is the token. With that token, SonarQube will like we can say SonarQube will connect to the Jenkins. Sonar token. Same as Sonar token. Done. And manage Jenkins system. Add SonarQube here. So click on name as Sonar. Our IP address. SonarQube token and click on apply save. We have installed the SonarQube. Now it's time to create new project. This project name as SonarQube analysis. Let's create. You can set name whatever you want. Let's create one pipeline. I have selected pipeline option. Discard old builds. Um, it keeps the build 2 days and max build kept two. So always create one pipeline with the hello world. Um, let me create. Let me fetch from that get the checkout stage. You can take help from the pipeline syntax or from here. We get exact syntax what we need to done. I need git to fetch one repository. I have a repository over here. Copy the code, paste it over here. It is a master branch credentials none because it is a public repository and copy this. So we have created our first stage. So let's copy this, paste it over here. What was our second stage to compile the code? I guess let's check uh, in the Jenkins file. Yeah, let's check out the compilation of code. All right, to compile code for compilation, I can use the sh. Sh means I can provide one command mvn clean install. Mvn clean package. I guess clean compile. Clean compile. Once I create one once I create one video about the Maven, you can easily understand what was this command. So for the before that, you can just copy and paste the Jenkins file as I mentioned already over there. So compile the code. It's time to test the code. Um, Once we compile um, the code test nvn nvn test. Am I right? Yeah, nvn test. Let's perform once we perform this perform the test. Let's perform the analysis in sonar. We need to integrate the SonarQube now. Sonar and A N L Y S S Anyway, ignore the spelling and the mistake. Um, Steps. I can directly copy and paste it from here. I'm not gonna write this. Those are so many steps. Yeah, it will automatically perform the SonarQube analysis. Click on apply. Uh, we need to one create one tool over there. Tools, tools that are basically we have installed, right? So for the JDK, we install the JDK 11 and the Maven. Maven, we have installed the Maven 3. Maven 3. Let's create here and create one environment. In that environment, we can set up the sonar home, sonar underscore home, which equals to tool colon double quotes. So let's click on apply. Again, once I create one video about the sonar, like how you can try and how you can write your custom pipelines. You can easily like get this what I'm written over there. Let's build now. Create on build now. I click on build now, right? Something happened. Okay, start a field. There are some issues. Maven 3. Okay, not able to find the tool. So manage Jenkins tools that we have configured. Maven, yeah, and maybe EN3. Is that correct over there also? Let's check. So this is configure and maybe EN3. MAN, what is this? MAVEN. Yeah, apply save. Let's build now. Yeah, it able to build something. Let's check the output. Yeah, I got the another error. Unable to find the binary of JDK then. Okay, cool. Um, let's use the Java 17. Uh, let's ditch the Java Gonna tools. We have selected the Java 11, right? Let's ditch that and select the Java 17. There are some problem. Yeah, just apply and okay. Yes, now we can easily run our analysis. School. Yes, it started. It used the JDK 11, JDK 17, I guess, and it is compiling the code right now. It co- it like it is uh, it they check out the code means like copy the code from GitHub. It is compiling right now. Once they compile, it will run the test automatically. And once the test get complete, there are some issues. Look, there is some failures. Sonar or binaries. SonarQube environment variables as a sonar. So what we have done over here, let's configure the sonar dot scanner. It's not a sonar dot scanner, it's just a sonar, yeah. Line. Um, there are some things you need to like find out. They have written over there inside that error. It not able to find the sonar. It is look, it is testing MVN. Yeah, getting a error again. So bin dot sonar not found. Oh my god. Yeah, installed the SonarQube, I guess, right? Yeah, we have installed the SonarQube. So what was the error we are getting right now? Let's click on configure. Yes, succeed. It able to analyze with the SonarQube. Success. Our pipeline gets succeeded. Look, it's all green. So once we refresh over here on the SonarQube, we got our SonarQube analysis, and there is only one security hotspot, which means there are some issues. As one issue with the security, it is a critical. It is a code smell. That means there are some code duplications or code that are not written in a good uh, that are code written in a poorly, or for the simple task we they have installed so many lines of code. So it is already look it is they have said what is this issue and how you can find out the solution. This particular issue is it is sent to a particular developer and get the results from there. Look, there are some issues. OpenJDK runs as a root user, default user. Make sure it's safe here. So those are uh, those are some issues. How the Jenkins will quickly find out errors. So those are the things. It is the mostly used tab are overview, issues, and the security hotspots and the measures. So the So bugs are zero, vulnerabilities are zero, security hotspots are none. There is one code smell and the code coverage. We read up it above 80%. So we have a very small amount of code. That means that uh, for that we haven't scanned our entire. We are not able to scan our entire code. There is no duplications on lines, and there is one or zero two lines on the code on the source code. So that's how we uh, that's how we analyze our source code throughout the SonarQube analysis. On the security output, we able to see overall what is the risk and how we can fix it, and uh, overall in-depth description about it, how you can resolve this issue. So that's it. That is how you can integrate the SonarQube as we look into it. Previously, I have done mistake in the Sonar binaries. I have written. Let me show it to you. Uh, yeah, I have written over here as a sonar underscore home. We need a scanner underscore home over here, and I have it not able to find the binary for sonar. Then I have changed sonar like sonar from the sonar. I will type sonar iPhone scanner, so it can able to detect the binary from sonar home. So those changes I have done, and SonarQube will automatically perform the analysis and send the report to the SonarQube. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you.